arbitrationagreements.org. We are here today to chat with you about a topic that can sometimes be a bit tough to navigate: divorce. But fear not, because we are here to shed some light on an approach that can save you time, money, and a great deal of stress. Before we get started, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save you time and money. Let's first talk about the traditional route that many people tend to go down, which is litigation. Now, litigation can often turn into a long, drawn-out process. It's not uncommon for divorces to stretch out over many months or even years. Moreover, litigation usually involves a considerable amount of conflict where each party is essentially pitted against each other, battling it out in court. This adversarial nature can be mentally and emotionally draining for everyone involved. And here's a startling statistic. The average cost of a divorce through litigation can range from $15,000 to $42,500 per person. That is a hefty sum, which can even escalate depending upon the complexities of the case. Now imagine a different route. A path that is more collaborative and focused on finding a solution that is mutually beneficial for both parties involved. This is where mediation comes in. Mediation promotes a healthier dialogue between the parties, where a neutral third person helps to guide the conversation and find an agreement that respects the interests of both parties. Research indicates that couples who choose mediation generally report higher levels of satisfaction compared to those who opt for litigation. Not only is it less costly, often being about 40 to 60% cheaper, but it's usually much quicker too. Furthermore, mediation allows for a more confidential process. Unlike litigation, where details can become public record, mediation respects your privacy, keeping the intimate details of your divorce between you and your spouse. This creates a space where people can speak openly and honestly, fostering a sense of understanding and empathy. Now you might be thinking, where do I find such services? That's where we step in. Welcome to arbitrationagreements.org. Our association is committed to providing top-notch divorce mediation programs and services. Our seasoned mediators are trained to facilitate constructive conversations, helping you and your spouse find common ground and come to a resolution that works best for both of you. Being the top association in the country for divorce mediation programs and services, we understand the nuances of these processes and are here to guide you every step of the way. Our approach is not just about resolving disputes, but about fostering a space where healing and understanding can flourish. So to learn more about how to navigate the divorce process, visit arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or are considering opening a new account or case. Also, what do you think about court litigation? Do you agree that mediation holds many advantages over it? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.